Hello, Professor. Hope all is well. Hope you're having a good weekend. So, for today, for my technological innovation on Screencast-O-Matic, I'm going to be screen sharing a video of the recently updated self-driving beta mode for Teslas. I decided to do this because it uses computing and encoding and augmented reality and a bunch of different stuff that we've been learning to complete these tasks. So here's just a quick 20-second demo of how it works. The car scans the surroundings and reacts and drives accordingly.
It's highlighting this pedestrian that it's waiting for. The pedestrian decided to wait, so then it decided to cross. That was good. Although I guess it would have been better if it just went, but always being cautious. It's always been cautious, but then it's on and it's
I'm going to stop it there. One very interesting thing to me about this video is the fact that the guy referred to the car as having an emotion, or like almost a characteristic of becoming more confident as time went on. And I thought that related to our course materials because we were talking about unsupervised learning and how this code is programmed, or this computer is programmed to improve on its mistakes. And this guy even noticed it as the updates went along. So I thought that was pretty interesting. What some benefits I think will be, well, first, aside from the fact that it's a computer doing all these tasks, is the fact that the car is electric, so it's better for the environment. You're going to have more leisure time. You're going to be able to do more things that you want while you're driving when this gets to the point where there's no worries about any mistakes happening. You're going to be able to call your family, work, read, study, game, if you please. And I thought that was really cool. And to address the last part of this, I think that this innovation will bring jobs and displace people at the same time, both, because obviously with car manufacturing, a lot of it nowadays is done by robots and machines. There will always be people on the assembly line putting it together, but I do think that it'll bring in jobs as far as the coding goes. They always need new people to correct any mistakes that the system itself missed, or just improve upon the original code. So yeah, I thought that was very interesting. I'm really looking forward to see where this goes, like even 10 years down the line from now. I think it'll be amazing.